Hello guys, welcome back to Cho 2025. If you've used WAN and Causvid, you know the problems, annoying flickering and oversaturated colors, especially at the beginning of a video. Today, I'll show you how to fix that. We're going to use the new Causvid V1.5 NAW first block model to eliminate these issues and get the fluid motion you want. This is an advanced tutorial, so I'll get straight to the crucial settings you need to change. If you're new to Causvid or VACE, links to my previous videos are in the description. First, download the model. The link for the Causvid V1.5 NAW first block LoRA is in the video description. Download the file and place it in your ComfyUI/models/LoRA folder. This Causvid version works specifically with the WAN 2.114b Text-to-Video and VACE 40b models, so make sure to select those in your workflow. Now, let's optimize the workflow for stable performance. Block swap. This is critical for managing VRAM. For a 400x720 video, I use a full block swap on the VAFA model and 15 to 20 block swaps on the WAN video model itself. This setup on my RTX 4060 with 60 gigs VRAM has prevented all out-of-memory errors, even on videos up to 15 seconds long at 15 frames per second. Torch compile settings. If you have Triton for Windows installed, enable this for a huge speed boost. LoRA strength. This is the most important setting. The default 1.0 strength will cause the video to lose most of its movement. As you can see, the video is almost completely static. To fix this, I highly recommend setting the LoRA strength to 0.6 or lower. This will drastically reduce color saturation and, more importantly, restore fluid movement. Here it is with a strength of 0.7. You can see the movement is returning, but the colors are still quite saturated. Now look at a strength of 0.6. The movement is natural, and the color saturation is much more controlled. For the best results with this LoRA, set your scheduler to UniPC and your steps to a value between 6 and 10. Even with a strength of 0.5, the results are still excellent. While some saturation may still occur, it is much less severe than with the default settings.
Also, you could actually reduce saturation by skipping the step and start it from step 2 like this example. This example used Causvid with strength 1 to emphasize how reduced the saturation is. You could actually use less weight to increase movement.
This simple adjustment to your workflow will solve the most common issues with Causvid V1.5. You can now create flicker-free, vibrant videos with natural movement. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. See you again on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day!